Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing this espresso makeup look, so let's get right into the video. So we're going to start off with the eyes first, and I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. No Budge matte shadow stick, and this is in the shade Cool Beans. And I'm just going to put that on my lid. I need a mirror. And I'm just gonna do like a thin line first, kind of like if it was eyeliner. And then if I need more, I can just go in with more. And now with my finger, I'm just gonna go ahead and smudge that and kind of bring it a little bit more upwards, just to really fill up my eyelid. So I think I want to add a little bit more color, so I'm going to go back into the shadow stick and go ahead and add just a little bit more. Again, just a thin line. Well, that's not really thin, but I'm just not covering up the whole eyelid. Now I'm going to go into this little e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. This is the Bite Size Eyeshadow I Love You a Latte palette, and with a small fluffy brush I'm going to go into this brown shade here. I'm just going to tap this in. This is so tiny. It's so cute. Tap off any excess, and then I'm just going to put this on the crease. Okay, and that's it for the eyes for now. I'm just going to clean up the area here a bit, and then we're going to go into the face. So we're going to go into setting spray first. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. We're going to go ahead and fan this out. Once that's dry, we're going to go into a gripping primer. This is the e.l.f. Pink Primer. And I'm just going to grab like a pump and a half and put this on the areas where I crease. So it'll be on the side of my nose, under my eyes a bit, on the chin, and then just right up here on the forehead. And I did already go ahead and carve out my eyebrows prior to the video. So we're not going to go into the eyebrows in this video. And we're going to fan this out as well, just to help the drying time. So once that's nice and dry and tacky, we're going to go into under eye color correcting, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Camo Color Corrector in yellow. I'm just going to put some under my eyes. And then I'm going to grab a small blending sponge and just start patting this in. And now we're going to go into the foundation. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay foundation, and I'm just going to grab like half a pump and start putting it on my face. To blend this out, I'm going to go in with the Makeup Eraser blending sponge and just start patting this into the skin. And now I'm going to go in with cream bronzer. This is the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer. And with the e.l.f. Putty brush, I'm just going to dip this in here and then just kind of tap off any excess off and go right into the cheeks with like a stippling motion. And also a bit on like this side of my nose. And I'm just going to kind of tap it in with the blending sponge. And now I'm going to go into the concealer. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer. If you can tell, I love Maybelline. And we're just going to allow that to sit on the skin for about 20 seconds. And now I'm going to grab my blending sponge and some setting spray. Go ahead and spray that. And then start tapping in the concealer. I have to be like so careful on the like outer corner because I don't want that eyeshadow to like not come off, but like to cover it. We can always go in with, you know, a little bit more, well, with no additional product, but just to like blend out whatever's there and help. But I'm scared of color, like especially dark colors, but I've been wanting to do this look forever. So now that the concealer is on, we're gonna go in with setting powder. This is the e.l.f. HD powder. And I'm just gonna put some on the lid. And then I'm gonna grab a powder puff and just tap that in there. And kind of swirl any excess off and go straight into the under eye. And then with a big fluffy brush, I'm just gonna swirl it into the lid. And then just tap off any excess off. And then we're going to go ahead and just put this all over the face. And now I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Super Stay Powder Foundation as my bronzer. And I'm just going to grab a Real Techniques 201 powder brush. I'm going to go straight in there and then tap off any excess off. Kind of rub it, not rub it, just tap it on the back of my hand too. And go right into the cheeks, wherever we put that cream bronzer. And now that all of our powders are on, we're gonna go ahead and just lock this in. So we're gonna go ahead and put some setting spray on. fan this out. And now we're going to go into eyeliner. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. H2O Proof eyeliner. Now we're going to go ahead and curl our lashes. And I'm going to go in with the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect mascara. I'm going to go back into the e.l.f. shadow stick and just put some on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to grab this flat brush and just kind of like blend it out. For the lip liner, I'm going to be using the Morphe Bite Me lip liner. And then for the lips, I'm going to be using the Morphe Matte Lip. This is also in the shade Bite Me. And lastly, we are going to go in one more time with setting spray. Alright you guys, and that is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!